If you're considering buying an ENGWE EU electric bike, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know before you pull the trigger. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be able to decide if it's the right fit for you and why ENGWE might be one of the best choices compared to its competitors. First, let's talk about the battery life. The ENGWE EU offers impressive battery performance, giving you the power to travel between 45 to 60 miles on a single charge, depending on conditions and your riding style. This is something to keep in mind because many competing electric bikes in this price range fall short in terms of distance. If you've used a bike with a smaller battery, you'll know how important it is not to have to worry about constantly recharging. Next thing, build quality. When you're dropping money on an e-bike, the last thing you want is to feel like you're riding something cheap. ENGWE EU's frame is sturdy, made from an aluminum alloy that gives it both strength and lightness. Whether you're cruising on smooth roads or tackling light trails, the build holds up well compared to some other models that tend to feel flimsy. The third thing to consider is the motor power. The ENGWE EU features a 750W motor, which is more than enough to get you up to 28 mph on flat terrain. This motor provides a smooth and powerful ride, especially for those who live in hilly areas. Compared to competitors, this is a standout feature, since some other e-bikes in this price range are limited to smaller motors that struggle with hills. Now, let's talk about comfort. This is something a lot of e-bikes get wrong, but not ENGWE EU. Its adjustable suspension system and oversized tires provide a smoother ride, especially on rougher surfaces. You'll feel more stable and in control, which is crucial when riding for longer periods. In comparison, many other bikes with less effective suspension systems might leave you feeling sore after just a short ride. The fifth thing you need to know is how easy it is to use. ENGWE EU bikes are designed with intuitive controls and a user-friendly display that shows your speed, battery level, and ride mode. It doesn't require a steep learning curve to get going. This simplicity is something you'll appreciate, especially when compared to some of the overly complicated setups of other electric bike brands. Moving on to safety, ENGWE EU has you covered with both front and rear disc brakes, providing reliable stopping power in all conditions. Many e-bikes in the same category either use rim brakes or offer poor braking performance, but with ENGWE EU, you get solid brakes that make you feel confident on every ride, no matter the weather. The seventh thing to know is the overall value for money. When compared to other e-bikes in the same range, ENGWE EU offers an unbeatable combination of performance, durability, and features. Sure, there are cheaper options out there, but you're likely to sacrifice quality or range. If you want an e-bike that will last, has decent power, and gives you the most bang for your buck, ENGWE EU is hard to beat. If all this sounds good to you, and you want to try out ENGWE EU yourself, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial offer, along with some exclusive benefits. You won't find this deal anywhere else, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more e-bike reviews and guides.